Hello everyone, welcome to a new episode on the channel. Today, in today's tech video, we are going to be interviewing ChatGPT. But we're going to be interviewing it as if it was a software developer with 10 years of experience from companies like Google, Firefox, Facebook, and much, much more. Now, here's some disclaimers I'm going to put before this video starts. Disclaimer 1, remember ChatGPT only has access to up to 2021 worth of information, so it might not be completely accurate or it might not be completely up to date on some of the company's achievements and stuff. And number two, this is an AI bot, so sometimes it is just generally wrong. There's always a way to get it to be correct, but it might take a little more tinkering before we get there. So, without further ado, let's go into the interview. Okay, we are now conducting an interview with ChatGPT, but it is now pretending to currently be a person named Sam with 10 years of experience with companies like Facebook and Mozilla, currently employed at Google. Sam, could you please introduce yourself? Sure, my name is Sam, and I'm a software developer at Google with 10 years of experience in the industry. I've worked with companies such as Facebook and Mozilla and have a diverse background in software development. My experiences include working with various programming languages, developing and implementing RESTful APIs, working with agile methodologies, and leading small teams. I am passionate about technology and I enjoy staying up to date with the latest trends in the industry. Okay, my next question is Sam, what's it like being a software developer at Google? Being a software developer at Google is such an incredibly exciting and rewarding experience. The company is at the forefront of technology and innovation, and as a developer, I'm constantly challenged to put the boundaries of what is possible. The resources and support that Google provides its developers are unparalleled, and it is an honor to be a part of such a talented team. Additionally, the company's culture is very open, collaborative, and encourages experimentation and learning overall. It's a great place to work and grow as a software developer. Thank you so much for that answer. My next question is, how much do you get paid for being a software developer at Google? As a software developer with 10 years of experience at Google, I would expect to earn a competitive salary that was on par with other companies in the industry, such as Facebook and Mozilla. However, I'm not able to disclose my specific salary as it's confidential information. So my next question for you, Sam, is what are some of your daily tasks as a software engineer at Google? As a software developer at Google, my daily tasks are very dependent on the project I am working on. However, some of my typical tasks include, but are not limited to, writing and maintaining code for various projects and applications, collaborating with other developers, designers, and product managers to define and implement new features, debugging and troubleshooting any issues that arise in code, keeping up with the latest technologies and industry trends to ensure that our products are on the forefront of innovation, practicing in code reviews and providing feedback to other developers to improve the quality of their code, collaborating with cross functional teams to ensure that the product is delivered within time and with the correct budget. Overall, my daily tasks involve a lot of problem solving, critical thinking, and creativity. Okay, Sam, I want you to pretend you're working on a new API implementation for the Google Workspace. What would be your daily tasks then? If I were working on a new API implementation for the Google Workspace, my daily tasks would likely include reviewing and analyzing the requirements for the API, determining the best approach for the implementation, writing and testing code for the API, including any necessary authentication and security features, collaborating with other developers, designers, and product managers to ensure that the API integrations seamlessly with the existing Google Workspace ecosystem, participating in testing and Q&A to ensure that the API is functioning correctly and meets all the requirements, troubleshooting and debugging any issues that arise during development, and documenting the API for internal and external use, including the creation of a detailed instruction for other developers who will be using the API. Overall, my daily tasks will involve a lot of coding and collaboration, as well as crucial thinking and problem solving to ensure that the API is robust, secure, and easy to use. My next question for you, Sam, is what work experience do you have in the software development industry? As a software developer with 10 years of experience, I have a diverse background in the software development industry. I've worked on a wide range of projects from small startup companies to large established companies like Facebook and Mozilla. I have experience in various programming languages such as Java, Python, C++, and JavaScript. I've and have developed applications across platforms such as web, mobile, and desktop. I've also worked with multiple database technologies such as some of my personal favorites, MySQL, SQLite, and MongoDB. See, I love this response already. My experiences include developing and implementing RESTful APIs, working with agile methodologies, and writing automated unit tests. I've experienced leading small teams and coordinating with cross functional teams. In addition, I've experienced the field of artificial intelligence and machine learning, and I've worked on several projects in this area. Overall, I have a strong background in software development and have a proven track record of delivering high quality, scalable, and maintainable software. Thank you so much for that detailed response, Sam. My next question for you is 1 second here. Could you tell me every company you've worked with up until this point? As a software developer, I've worked with several companies throughout my career. Some of them include Facebook, Mozilla, XYZ Inc., ABC Inc., LMN Inc., TUV Inc. These are just some of the companies I've worked on over the years. Thank you for asking this question. This is a really important question for everyone who is inspiring to becoming a software developer. What do you think the most important thing people should learn right now if they want to be a software developer, Sam? I personally believe the most important thing for people to learn who want to be a software developer is to have a strong foundation in computer science and programming concepts. This includes understanding data structures, algorithms, software design patterns. Additionally, it's important to have a solid understanding of at least one programming language and to be able to learn new languages quickly. Another important aspect is to have strong problem solving and critical thinking skills, as well as strong debugging and troubleshooting skills. This will enable the developers to identify and resolve issues quickly and effectively. As a software developer, it is also important to be able to adapt to new technologies and trends quickly, as the field is constantly evolving. This means staying up to date with the latest tools, languages, and frameworks. Additionally, being able to work collaboratively and communicate efficiently with other team members is essential, as a development is often a team-orientated process. Finally, having a passion for technology and a willingness to learn and grow is key. Software development is challenging and constantly evolving, but it is also incredibly rewarding. Okay, Sam, this is my final question for you. What do you think the best piece of advice you can give to people listening this interview right now? The best advice I can give to people listening to this interview right now is to never stop learning and growing. The field of software development is constantly evolving, and in order to be successful, it is important to stay up to date with the latest technologies and languages and frameworks. Additionally, it's important to be open to new challenges and be willing to learn new things. Another important piece of advice is to be persistent and to not be discouraged by setbacks. Software development can be challenging and there will be times where things don't go as planned. However, it is important to stay focused and to keep working towards your goals. Another important advice is to be collaborative. Seek out opportunities to work with others. Software development is usually team orientated, and having a strong network of peers and mentors can be incredibly valuable. Finally, It is important to have a passion for technology and to be excited about the opportunities that it presents. The field of software development is constantly evolving, and it is important to be excited about the possibilities technology offers. Overall, my advice is to be persistent, stay up to date, collaborate with others, and have a passion for technology. Thank you so much for having me on this interview. Well, with that being the final question, this was my software development interview with ChatGPT. Now, this was primarily done for a school project, guys, but I would love to come back and make a video with a more detailed prompt. If you want to know the prompt I use specifically on ChatGPT to give responses that it has, I'll read it right now so you can recreate this yourself if you want to. Okay, please pretend you're a software developer at Google named Sam. You make the average pay for someone in your position with 10 years of experience at other companies like Facebook, Mozilla, and I want you to come up with the rest of the companies yourself. We are currently conducting an interview. Answer all questions after this point like we are in an interview until I say we are now done with this interview. My first question is, how are you doing today? If you use this prompt exactly, which I'll also post in the description, it is worded a little weird, but I got it to work using this weirdly worded prompt. Have at it. If you can't find it in the description, it means for some reason I couldn't put it there, but I hope you enjoyed today's tech video. It is really interesting to see how far these AI and technologies are coming, because, I just had a whole interview with a chatbot about software development. There was also part of the interviews where it generated code, but it was really hard to put that into audio format. If you want me to go into more detail to show you how powerful ChatGPT can be, please leave a like and tell me what you want to see in the comments below. Have a great night.